It's time to move on to a product I've been really waiting for. This is by the drone company. If I say drone company, what comes to your mind? DJI, right? Well, from them is the Osmo Action. Now, this is, for want of any other way of describing it, a GoPro. But is it a GoPro killer? Well, I'll partially answer that today. We will go into this story in more detail in a week or two from now. But right now I'm going to tell you Osmo Action, lots and lots of great action around it. So this is, of course, an action camera. The Osmo Action kind of gives it away. GoPro set up the market for this. It established the market and it took it into this incredible stratosphere. But now with this, GoPro should be a little nervous because the form factor is almost the same, but this has some more interesting things. So it's got 4K electronic image stabilization. It is waterproof. You do not need any case around it. It's got 4K at 60p. It's got dual screen, and that's where most people are saying it becomes an absolute killer. So, you know, when you're setting up a GoPro, any other action camera, what's the biggest problem? To really know your frame, you have to have either a TV screen or you have to have your phone as a remote. This one, you can see the frame or you can see yourself even in an action shot even before you start. That really is the big USP.
From new highs to low underwater shots to a ton of action, this camera promises to be at the heart of all the action and captures it with a lot of panache. Meet DJI's first action camera, the DJI Osmo Action. Priced at around 34,000 rupees, this competes directly with the GoPro Hero 7 Black and comes packed with a whole lot of features and modes. But does it give GoPro a run for its money, and how does it perform? Let's dive straight into all the action and see. The DJI Osmo Action comes in a small form factor. It will pair with GoPro accessories as well, making it quite hassle-free. There are 3 simple buttons on the body of the camera, and the big highlight is the dual screen function. The 1.4-inch front screen will let you shoot vlog-style videos so you can see exactly what you record and frame things properly. And you can even toggle the functions and settings with ease. Some of these videos we shot were in this front-facing mode. Being an action camera, the DJI has ensured that this camera is temperature resistant and it is waterproof up to 11 meters. So underwater videos are possible on this as well. There is Action OS on this, which has a neat and streamlined user interface. The modes can be changed easily on the touchscreen and it responds well without any lag. The Osmo sports a 12-megapixel 1x2.3-inch CMOS sensor with an f2.8 aperture and a 145-degree wide field of view. There is 4K HDR mode which shoots in 30 FPS. The picture quality was very sharp, and this is one mode the GoPro Hero 7 lacks. Although DJI's ROCKSTEADY feature, which like the name suggests, combines EIS or electronic image stabilization with algorithms. We even tried the time-lapse mode and got some good shots in daylight. The camera dissipates heat and it didn't heat up too much when we tried various time lapses. This is a high-contrast time-lapse taken on the DJI Osmo Action. The low-light time-lapses were decent, if not very good, although some denoise would be needed in post-production. There is a 8x slow-motion mode that captures details exceptionally well. Using this camera is quite easy as it comes with voice commands.
Take photo.
This is limited to just 5 right now, but it does the basic job. On the battery front, the DJI Osmo Action does okay and it takes an hour to charge fully. But when compared to the king of action cameras, the GoPro Hero 7 Black, how does the DJI stack up? Well, while the form factor is similar, the GoPro Hero 7 comes with a mini monochrome screen, while the DJI Osmo Action has a proper screen. The max video resolution on both is 4K 60 FPS. The GoPro Hero 7 Black lacks a HDR mode. There is electronic image stabilization in both, and both come with similar camera resolution specs. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is waterproof up to 10 meters. Live streaming is possible on the GoPro and not on the DJI Action Cam. On the price front, the GoPro Hero 7 Black is priced at 30,499 rupees currently and is slightly cheaper than the Osmo Action. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action packs in quite a bit without being too heavy on the pocket, but it holds its own with excellent picture quality, good stability, and it is very simple to use. This is an ideal camera for video blocking, and the dual screen feature remains the big takeaway.